Jonathan here with Kia Madison. Today I wanted to talk about some of the exciting safety features as well as assistance features available in the Kia DriveWise suite. I'm sitting here in the beautiful interior of a 2021 Kia Sorento, and with this model you'll have adaptive cruise control capable of coming to a complete stop and even starting to go again without you touching the brake or the gas. You can manipulate the distance it maintains behind the car in front of you using the button right here on the steering wheel. And next to it, you have lane following assist. With this system, the car will maintain its place in a lane in highway driving. And not only does it stay in the lane, but it actually keeps itself in the middle of the lane. So it's much more advanced than previous lane keeping assist systems that would kind of bounce you between the lane lines. Now, with this vehicle, you'll also have, of course, blind spot monitors, forward collision avoidance, all the safety features you expect in a newer, nicer car. What's exciting about these newer systems is that in some of the late model Kias that are well equipped, you'll have forward collision avoidance not only for vehicles, but for pedestrians and cyclists as well. Now, it's also capable of preventing an accident with a system called forward collision avoidance junction turning. And what that means is that if you're ever in an intersection trying to make a left turn, and maybe there's another car trying to make a left turn that you can't see behind, it can actually prevent you from pulling out to make a left turn if another vehicle is oncoming and imminently about to hit you. So Kia's had some great safety features for a while. They've only gotten better. If you have any questions on these, just call or stop by today.